And what I discovered was with these videos is that they exist as MP4s, and you have to take these MP4s and bring them up into your WordPress site. And the way that I've been able to get this to work is to import them using FTP. And as long as you bring them into your site and do not add them to WP content, you can add them to folders up here. Then you can use the WP Media to take, for example, you can see these are MP4s that I've sent up, and I put them here. And then I can take one of these, let's say number 43, and I can put number 43 into this folder. This is using FileZilla, and if you look now, the only thing in there is number 43, 39 megabytes. Then using WP Media, I can take this folder and select it and request upload from server, and the upload from server will take this file and we'll put it into this folder. And you can see in uploads, I got all sorts of files in uploads, but when it takes this, and these are just names that I made up, you can use any name you want to name the folders, as is true of the MP4s. But when you take this MP4 and use WP Media to bring it in, WP Media not only brings it into uploads, but it also brings it in and registers it. And if you don't have it registered in your WordPress site, WordPress is not going to see it as a media file. The problem that you get into is in your uploads folder, you have all of this stuff in there, which is frustrating. It's a little irritating because I have a whole series of instructional videos to make about the robot, and I don't think I can get my uploads folder this full of stuff. I'll never be able to figure out where anything is. So what I wanted to do was, for example, take MP4s. These are little MP4s about how to make the PistonRobot. Yeah, but I wanted to have MP4s about how to make the arm rotation of the robot to be in a folder named Upload Instructional. You know, they've been uploaded and they're instructional videos. And I'm getting there one by one. But right now, I have moved MP4s I just finished some. I've got 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. All of those were sitting in this uploads file. And I have used another sub-program of WP Media to take these files and move them from uploads into upload instructional and keep their registration as media files.